Hey everyone, I'm Cece. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I did part 2 of testing viral TikTok recipes. I did the Nature's cereal, which was started by Nature's Food on TikTok. The ingredients you need are strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, pomegranate, and coconut water, and you're also going to need ice. The first thing I did was I put strawberries into a strainer to be washed. I added blueberries. And raspberries. Then I rinsed them off with cold water. After they were dry, I cut up the strawberries. There's Bindi. After they were cut up, I put them back into the bowl with the rest of the fruit. I put the fruit into a separate bowl. And added pomegranate. And then I added ice and coconut water to the top. Okay, it's time to try the Nature's cereal. I've never tried coconut water or pomegranate before, so I'm a little bit nervous about that. And the pomegranate kind of smelled like nail polish. I'm scared. Can't be that bad.
Just go ahead. How's the coconut water?
Kind of gross. It's like grapes, like grape juice. All I really tasted was the raspberry, but with like the coconut water. And the coconut water is really gross. I love coconuts too.
Okay.
Nope. I would rate this probably a 3 out of 10, only because the coconut water, I was disappointed because I thought it would taste like coconut, but it tasted like grape popsicles, which aren't a bad thing, but in this case it was really bad. Thank you guys for watching. Unfortunately, I did not like this, and I was hoping I would because it was so hyped, literally everywhere. Maybe if I did normal water instead of coconut water, it would be better. I do recommend that you try this for yourself to see what you think about it. I'll see you guys next Monday. Bye!
You don't say peace out, bye?
No, that's so old.
Is that
Cece.
someone else? That's
That's
old
so
Cece.
old
You've
Cece.
already rebranded?
I've already rebranded.
Wow.
I know.